Great opportunity for investors or first-time home buyers. This 2-bedroom, 1-bath home in South Suffolk offers a functional floor plan with a living room, separate family room, eat-in kitchen, and dedicated laundry area. Exterior features include a front and side porch, rear deck, and storage shed, sold as is. Conveniently located near schools, shopping, and major routes. A must-see with lots of potential. This home is being sold as its owner will make no repairs. Window units do not convey. Currently tenant-occupied, and the tenant has expressed interest in remaining in the home, good for investors seeking immediate rental income. Rent is subsidized by housing.